So, Russianvids. You know, the guy who thinks school is dumb by quoting Bible scripture while claiming that we're being manipulated by reptilians or aliens because a B movie with Rowdy Roddy Piper, the wrestler who played a Scot even though he was born in Canada, said that we were being run by aliens, which, ironically, none of whom are in the Bible in the first place. A little more school might have taught him that. Anyway, Russianvids recently put out a video which could only be described as professional level cherry picking. Typically I avoid Russianvids, as he hears no comments for those who don't kiss his ass, and his arrogance is only rivaled by his ignorance, which makes most of his material go down like rancid coffee.
Just another example of NASA faking space. Let's take a look here at this supposed image of Jupiter. Nothing more than CGI fakery with the supposed auroras towards the north. Let's take a look here. Again, at NASA's official website, where it states Hubble captures vivid auroras in Jupiter's atmosphere.
His video is a complaint that the ultraviolet captures by the Hubble telescope of the massive auroras on Jupiter, which were pasted on an older image of Jupiter and displayed by NASA. Because an older photo of Jupiter was used, the whole thing is fake. Which, nowhere on the page does it claim that the representation image is actually a photo. Nowhere. The reason I found this interesting is because Russianvids was actually able to research the image of Jupiter and make the find of the matching earlier Jupiter photo. Still don't know if it was him that found it, but who cares? But yet seemed unable, and more likely unwilling, to actually research the page he was looking at, where it says in plain text, using Hubble's ultraviolet capabilities, right above the image. And even below it explains that this was part of a set of ultraviolet time lapses over several months. Everybody knows that infrared and ultraviolet are beyond the spectrum of visible light. So obviously a visible light photo of Jupiter would be needed to show what's being presented. NASA also released a few videos of the UV time lapses for those who are actually interested in the occurrence. If NASA had only released the actual UV spectrum images, who knows? Maybe Russianvids would have made a video saying, hey, NASA's trying to tell us that Jupiter is blue, or something equally stupid. So in the end, the auroras shown on that picture are the ultraviolet images superimposed onto a photo of Jupiter, just to show you the size of what's being talked about. So, you keep looking for those reptiles, bud. And maybe if you were to point out where those reptilian humanoid aliens or the legitimacy of B movies are in the Bible, that would be cool. But I'm pretty sure that claiming those things would be dismissed by Proverbs 6:16 through 19, more commonly known as the 8th commandment. But leave the science and bearing facts to those of us who know how to look beyond the bullshit glasses. You have a nice day.